Bridge pages can be extremely useful when they are used correctly. The trouble is, a lot of people don't use them properly, and they can end up hurting a lot more than helping. We are going to take a look at some of the common mistakes people make when it comes to bridge pages and how you can avoid them. First of all, don't mistake bridge pages for doorway pages. A long time ago, doorway pages were just keyword-filled pages that made little to no sense and no other purpose than pulling in search engine traffic and then redirecting it to an affiliate link or some other spammy page. Bridge pages actually have tremendous value when used correctly. They can be squeeze pages that collect opt-in subscribers. They can also be pre-selling pages that help boost sales to a particular product. They have a variety of uses, but they should never ever be used solely to attract search engine traffic. This kind of behaviour hasn't worked in years, and these days this could actually get your site penalised very heavily. Another big mistake people often make with bridge pages is making them too much of a hard sell. Bridge pages should be more of a soft sell that is used to warm people up before they get to a sales page. If you're using them to gather leads, it's even more ideal. The reason you don't use hard selling tactics for gathering leads is because it will turn people off before they even have a chance to subscribe to your list. They'll automatically assume you'll use such tactics on your list, and they will just avoid you like the plague. Instead of trying to push people to buy, just talk about some of the product's features and explain how these features can benefit the user. If it's possible, talk about how the product has benefited you personally. If you use your bridge page kind of like a review, it will feel a lot less like a sales page and much more like something helpful. It's also a mistake to be too stuffy or even too professional on your bridge page. If you're not the product owner, there's no need to keep your material overly professional. Feel free to be a little light-hearted. Throw in a personal story if you have one that relates. Obviously, you'll not want to joke around if your subject matter is very serious, but generally, humour works well. Lack of focus is another huge problem for bridge pages. Too many people want to put a whole bunch of stuff on the page to try and get the most out of every visitor, but this just leads to confusion. Give someone too many choices and they won't take any of them. Instead, focus on just one or two elements. For example, if you're trying to build a list, don't try to sell a product on the bridge page, because you'll have all the time in the world to market to the user after they subscribe to your list. Remember, if you're trying to sell a product, don't include links to a bunch of other affiliate products. You'll just confuse the user. These are a few of the most common mistakes people make with bridge pages. Now you're equipped to avoid them, and your bridge pages will be much more effective. In our next lesson, we're going to take a look at split testing your bridge pages. So I'll meet up with you on the next video, which is the final video in this 7-video series.